Don't run away from your responsibility.
I hate that.
White guy in the jungle. What's up, Alzheimer's? This is 123, and today, this is a vlog now. I forgot to record this late, so I'm kind of doing it while I'm in a class. So, enjoy the vlog. I don't know.
Everybody was like, yeah, Raymond was coming in the weight room. But then, like, once you stopped coming, then Raymond stopped coming. And then they're like, we tried to talk to Raymond, but, like, he won't listen. So they're like, yeah, bro, Raymond's gonna end up the same as you.
I'm not even gonna lie, you look like Fat Albert.
That is his own personal choice.
There's Ellie the Elephant. She's not fat, but she's thick in ways. AKA the baby mama of Manny. A lot of work. That's editing. I'm gonna censor that tongue too. According to YouTube, that's child pornography. Really? So yeah, you can't have your tongue. No. So you saying?
I'm sorry.
So I'm walking right because we don't this to McDonald's make teachers night for my sister or something, and I'm looking at the kids, right? Kids Academy. They spell kids wrong. Okay, it's Q-U-I-D-Z-S. Okay, that's how you spell quids. All right. Yeah, kids. That's how you spell kids. Q-U-I-D-Z. Q-U-I-D-S. Kids. Q-U-I-D-Z. That's how you spell kids. That's how you always spell kid. I don't know what she's talking about, but I know what I'm talking about. All right, yeah. We'll catch y'all in a minute.
I've been this time like this country music. Tomorrow, watch you talking so loud, you like, oh, you playing the song. Maybe let them go.
So if y'all enjoyed the vlog, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe for more. This is going up on my main channel instead of my vlog channel because I'm kind of done with my vlog channel. So yeah, I'll see you all later. I love you guys. Don't forget to stay awesome. Peace out. That was a fail. Give me a minute. I got it this time. Peace out.